Jewish American activists are protesting inside the Trump Tower. They are denouncing the immigration arrest of a Columbia University activist who helped lead student protests on the Manhattan campus against Israel's war in Gaza. Let's take a live look right now. Again, this is a live look at Trump Tower where a protest is underway with dozens of people chanting. They are requesting the release of Mahmoud Khalil. He is an activist who led student protests at Columbia University last year. He is a legal permanent resident of the United States, but he was detained Saturday by the Department of Homeland Security. Agents had said that his student visa was revoked, but then his wife was able to present documents saying that he is a legal permanent resident. These protesters, you can see there are police on the scene, and it appears that some people are being detained with zip ties around their wrists. We'll stay on top of this, but we'll be right back.